Hello and welcome to Cooking with Keith. This channel is about elevating our recipes while in an RV. So today we got a special recipe to do. I'm going to do some homemade applesauce. We're having some little bit of pork chops a little later on, so I thought, you can't have pork chops without applesauce, especially when you're in the South. So with that, we'll get started. So applesauce basically has 4 ingredients. Has apples, brown sugar, lemon, and water. Now, usually I make it's usually about 3 pounds of apples to about 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1/2 cup of water. But I only have about 1 pound of apples, so I'm going to actually just reduce that based on that ratio. So we'll go ahead, we'll get started, we'll get the ingredients together, we'll put it in the pot, and then we'll talk about the next steps. So I've peeled and diced the apples. Now I'm just going to add about 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm doing this by eye. And about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And unfortunately I don't have any real lemons, so I'll have to use this stuff here. And we'll use about 1 tablespoon, like I said. 1, 2, that's about 1 tablespoon. Now to that we'll add about 1/2 cup of water. We'll put this on medium heat, bring it to a boil for about 20 minutes. When that's done, we'll mash it all up. So we've got the apples with the brown sugar and the lemon juice and water boiling. We're going to leave that simmer for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to come back and mash it all and let it cool down for about 20 minutes. Okay, so after about 20 minutes, I've taken the lid off about halfway through just to let the juices evaporate. Now I'm just mashing the apples. And I must confess, I got caught in a conversation with Johnny and rescued it just in time, so we have a little bit of a caramelization happening. But other than that, it's still good for use. So, join us in the next video where we'll be cooking the pork chops, where we're going to use the applesauce. Until then, thanks for watching, and have fun cooking in your RV.